Hello and welcome to the Intestinal Anastomosis training task. In this variation, we will be using a barbed suture to complete the task. We start off with a suture at the top of the enterotomy. Pass the needle through the loop of the barbed suture. The benefit of the barbed suture is that there is no knot tying involved. You can continue suturing. While passing the needle through the tissue, pick up the needle with your left instrument and you immediately position the needle in your needle holder. This is how you complete the intestinal anastomosis training task using a barbed suture. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.